Oh.
Because I said.
Oh, never mind. That's it.
It's not in the rear.
Yeah.
And then mom made me open it.
Yeah, should be open.
Okay.
Oh, no. This is the front.
Oh my gosh. But I asked her front too.
Yeah, they only give you...
Okay.
Yeah.
What should I do?
I mean, if you want to get the back one, you know.
Do I need the back one now?
No, not right now.
Okay. No, no.
I'll just say yeah.
Okay. I'm going to pay you now because so you don't pay.
I bet. Alright, I'm going to get the...
Alright, thank you.
I'm going to text you when it's done.
XO, but the index though. Well, let me see you do more printing.
Alright, chat. We're gonna knock out these foot brake pads real quick. Should take like 20 minutes. I thought it was gonna be rear, but shit. Let's get it. We got a Chevy Malibu. I think it's 2015. 2018. Oh, Lewis, this is rich. Lewis, this got that money. I ain't riding in no 2018. My shit is only 2012. But I'll be right back as soon as we're done. New customer alert. New customer alert. Oh, she ain't even got no license plate on the front. About to knock out these bad boys in like 20 minutes. Watch. All right, chat. This is pretty easy since we're not taking off the whole caliber. But if we was, we'd take off these bolts back here. But right now, we're just gonna remove these 14mm bolts for the slide pins. And then I got a tool for this, but if you don't got a tool, you could just do this. Her pads is pretty good. Ain't nowhere to fit in. Let me stop before I fuck up this. I'm gonna show y'all after we get it. Rotors is good. We're just gonna get this off and then I'm gonna show y'all the rest. Alright, we're gonna lube these up with the new pads. I don't even think the new pads came with a new safety, so we gotta. Bro, I think she got the rear. Did she get the rear pads? I hope she did not order the rear. Nah, this is the front. Did you put the safety down? Nah, she gonna have to get a new safety. I don't even feel right putting this on like this. Why didn't it come with any? But her pads is good. Nah, hell no, she on metal. Let me show y'all. New pads. These the old pads. As you can see, she grinding. Metal on metal. Ain't too bad though. I've seen worse. Now we're gonna grease up our pads. I could do this easy. Could do this easier if I wasn't recording, but. I really need to get meta glasses. But basically, you just want to get this all in on the pad. I can't even see it. Get that all on the pad, on the part where it slides in, and then do both. And then I'm gonna show y'all once I put it in. I've probably seen it in my other video. This is a new tool I bought to push the piston back. We're gonna push that back. I looked at the new video. These new pads don't even use that old ass clip, so good thing we didn't have to reuse that. So I'm gonna throw this caliper back on after I push this back, and then I'm gonna show you how the finishing touch. And as y'all can see, every time you just add pressure, it pushes it back. It's just hard to do with one hand, but you see it going back. This shit's... I just bought the tool too, so I'm working out the kinks on how to use it. But that should be far enough back, and I'm slide this bitch on, and it'll be done. Alright, so, oh, here it is. This new brake caliper tool is bullshit. I'm about to return this shit if I don't know how to fix it. I mean, use it. But yeah, my handy dandy one came to trust. I mean, god damn. My new part that I bought, nigga, ain't work, nigga. Alright, here we go. Just flip this bad boy back up, and she's all good. Yeah. Huh? Yo. Oh, I'm about to say, I just bought this tool. I'll take it right back up. Here we go. Make sure it's tightened in. Flipping out, and then you just do the same thing for the other side. And that's how you do brake pads on a 2008 Chevy Malibu. I'm gonna take a picture of the other side so y'all see too. And here's the shitty ass old brakes. And just like that's how you do brake pads. I already said this shit already, but new brake pads, old brake pads. And I'm gonna throw this tire on, and then we off this bitch. Another satisfied customer, and that's all you got with your boy. Ain't that JAH? That gotta be JAH. Must be JAH. And newly mechanic JAH. I'm on.